Imagine earning £30 in a week from just taking online surveys with just your smartphone. Now, if you're in Nigeria, let us calculate how much £30 is, and I'm going to show it to you. Right now, a pound is about 2,000 naira. So let us use that 2,000 naira to do the calculation, okay? 2,000 naira times 30. That is how much? That is 60,000 naira plus. Now remember, I am doing this calculation with 2,000 naira, and a pound is actually more than 2,000 naira right now. You're getting over 60,000 naira in a single week. Now show me which online site also can actually give you 60,000 naira in a week as a complete beginner without any skill. I'm going to be waiting. Please type it in the comment section if you have it, because I don't think it exists. Online survey is that site also that you can actually leverage on as a complete beginner with no digital skill. Like you don't even have any digital skill, or you're still trying to learn digital skill. You can actually start using your smartphone device to start taking online surveys and earn money for yourself in the comfort of your home. And the good thing about this online survey is the fact that, like I said earlier, you do not even need any special skill to do it. You can easily do it. Answer these questions. There's no right answer, there's no wrong answer, and earn your money easily. And the money will be paid to you to your PayPal account, and you can easily transfer it to your Nigerian bank account. Now there's a full training where I explain to you everything you're going to be needing about online surveys, the things you need to do, the things you need to avoid, everything in total. I have explained it in this fuller tutorial that I've linked in the description of this video. Please go and watch that video. It is about 30 minutes or thereabout long. I think 30 minutes or 40 minutes. I don't even think it's up to 40 minutes. Go and watch that video and learn and see all of the things that you need. See, after watching this video, I promise you, you will be able to start taking online surveys remotely in the comfort of your home and earning in pounds or in dollars or in euros, as the case may be, okay? Just go and watch the video. It is linked in the description of this video, and help yourself. See, Sapa is a bad thing to happen to you, and you should not have a smartphone and still be broke. If you cannot even take online surveys, you can start watching videos on your smartphone to make money online. There are so many things that you can do without skill. Okay, this is a side also for people without skill. Don't confuse it. For people without skill, you're just trying to learn online skills. You don't have any online skill yet. Go and start taking online surveys. And like I said, there's a fuller tutorial in the description of this video. Go and watch it and learn how you should really go about it. There is money in online survey, provided you are following the right path and doing the right thing. And that is what I'm here to teach you on my YouTube channel. Now, don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show it to more people like you looking for information like this, so that they get to learn as well. Finally, don't forget, tap on that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon right beside you, turn on post notifications for all of my videos, so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know. Also, share this video with your friends, okay? There is no point in it that you are the only one making money amongst your circle of friends. It doesn't make sense. You know your friends are broke like you. Share this video to them. Let them also come and watch and learn as well. And if you have any questions, any question at all, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. I promise I'm going to do my best to answer as many questions as I get. And finally as well, for the sake of those seeing me for the very first time, my name is Mandy Rachel, and on this channel I teach you ways you can actually leverage on something like this called a smartphone device to make money online. So if you're seeing me for the very first time, you're welcome to the family. I hope you have subscribed. I hope you have tapped on the bell icon to turn on post notifications. I hope you have liked this video. I hope you have shared this video. And don't forget, if you have questions, please feel free, drop your questions in the comment section. Like I said, I'm going to do my best and answer as many questions as I get. Now, until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing, and bye.